Welcome. If you've ever wanted to forward a sticker from one Instagram chat to another using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, forwarding stickers is now quick and effortless. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start sharing your favorite stickers with just a few clicks. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. You can do this by heading to the Instagram website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left menu and find the messages icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. Click on that icon to access your direct messages. Now, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Find and open the chat where the sticker you want to forward is located. Scroll through the messages until you spot the sticker you'd like to share with someone else. Next to the sticker message, you'll notice 3 dots. This is the options menu for that specific message. Click on the 3 dots, and a small menu will appear. From the options, select Forward. Instagram will now prompt you to choose the recipients for the forwarded sticker. A list of your contacts and group chats will appear. Select one or more people you want to send the sticker to by clicking on their names. Once you've made your selection, look for the Send button, usually at the bottom of the screen, and click it. That's it. The sticker will be forwarded instantly to the recipients you chose, and you'll see it appear in their chat. This feature is perfect for sharing fun moments or reactions across multiple conversations without having to search for the sticker again. With these simple steps, forwarding stickers on Instagram from your PC has never been easier. Try it out the next time you come across a sticker you love and want to share the fun with others. Thanks for joining, and happy chatting.